We'll finish this lesson by talking about correlation and causation. We briefly discussed this in Lesson 1 with the Golden Arches theory of conflict resolution, which has since been disproven, but still. It's kind of funny to think that McDonald's might cause world peace. We found this really cute cartoon online. The link is at the bottom. It's a little joke that illustrates the difference between correlation and causation, but we're leaving out the last line, because that's the punchline. First, we're going to discuss correlation versus causation. Causation means that one variable caused another to happen. For example, the fact that it was raining caused a bunch of people to bring their umbrellas to work. But correlation just means that there's a relationship. For example, do happy people have more friends? Is it just because they're happy that they have more friends? Or does them being happy cause them to act a certain way, which then causes them to have more friends? We never know. There are always lurking variables. We might have two variables, x and y, and they have a relationship, but only because both of them are influenced by variable a. Or maybe x influences y through variable a. A is called a mediating variable. By just looking at scatter plots and the correlation, we don't know what the case is. We can just see some kind of relationship. In order to make causal statements, for one thing, the independent variable would have to occur before the dependent variable, and we have to be able to rule out any lurking variables. With age and pets, this one's kind of easy because we know that having more pets doesn't cause you to age. But others, like happiness and number of friends, are kind of ambiguous. Maybe having more friends causes you to be happy. Or maybe being happy causes you to have more friends. We don't know. Even if one comes before the other, this doesn't necessarily mean that the first variable caused the second. I'm sure you can think of all sorts of examples where that wouldn't be true.